Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2013 Cadillac SRX Performance Collection all-wheel drive, stock number Z8612X. Only 22,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this SRX brand new, crystal red in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 6-year, 70,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. Split seats fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Hitch and wiring. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of storage space in the rear, with removable privacy cover, as well as additional underfloor storage. No dents or dings in the body. This performance collection has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power liftgate control, power seats, memory settings for 2 drivers, oversized panoramic moonroof, button start, large, easy to read gauges, again only 22,000 miles, cruise control, leather wrapped steering wheel which is heated, great for those cold winter days. This SRX has advanced safety features like forward collision alert, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora radio apps, navigation, dual zone automatic temperature control, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and climate, along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Large glove box with all the overhead. Auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and sunshade control. Under the hood, this SRX is a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 308 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates would average 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.